Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. So first of all, open the Facebook app, then tap on the three lines menu in the top right corner if you're on Android, and bottom right if you're on iPhone. Then tap on Pages. Next tap Create at the top and select Get Started. Now enter a name for your page. This will be how people find you. Once you've done that, tap Next. Now choose a category that best fits your page. This helps Facebook recommend it to the right people. Then tap Create, and then choose whether you want to promote your products or services, or create content and connect with fans. So select second option. Then tap Continue. Now it's time to personalize your page, add a profile and cover photo, and tap Next again, and now tap Done. Now your Facebook page is created. You can post anything on your page. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.